regardless how many times we've fallen short in the past. And I am proud that today we are here to celebrate and to witness a momentous occasion, the evidence that we surpassed the bumpy journey. Sitting in neatly arranged rows and donning the white caps are the faces of the resilient Filipinos who were tested by the strongest and longest typhoons, ready to face greater challenges and about to enter a new horizon. As I look back from the pieces of my past, I can clearly see what I was 4 years ago. I am not an exemption to discrimination and bullying, but my height had never became an excuse for me to dream big, bigger than I can actually imagine. I remember what Carlos Romulo said on his international meeting. I quote, "I'm glad that I'm a little guy," and I agree with him. And because being little is the best experience, despite the fact that I am mistreated sometimes, I am thankful instead, because it helped me to work harder to achieve this success and prove to them that they are wrong. This success would never be put into reality without